We've just acquired this Mercedes. It's the C220 AMG Sport. Absolutely lovely condition, very good, top spec, upgraded, diamond cut dual black alloy wheels, gleaming black metallic finish. It's absolutely beautiful. Rear spoiler, AMG body styling kit on the car. Boot areas are all in lovely condition with the AMG carpet mats. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, power fold mirrors, half leather Alcantara with blue strip stitched piping, sport seats at the front, auto headlights, paddle shift for the gearbox, cruise control, DAB radio. It's done 99,435 miles. Got heated seats, 3 stages. It's got full navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, full media player, air conditioning, climate control. It's fully loaded and lovely. At DJH, we've got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.